Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of PHP. So today we are going to learn how to connect to the database in PHP MySQL. So let's get see how we are going to implement it. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we go with with this part. So this is the code that I have to read it out. So basically it's a server name, that is the local host or any of the IP of your cloud or anywhere server that you have. You can mention it over here. Username of your PHP admin or MySQL. Password you need to enter over here. Then MySQLi.connect will help to connecting to that particular this part. Server name, username and password. These three requirements. This will take three parameters: server name, username and the password. And whatever it will return, if it is not, whatever connection, it will not go. It will, if it is not, then you will put it that connection failed and that error. Else it will add you will connection connected successfully in that part. So this is the basic funda of connecting to the MySQL database in the PHP. So let's see how we are going to use it in our code. Just copy this code and add this into your file. So here we go with test.php, or you can create a new file over here, open with a terminal. So we'll connect.php, touch connect.php over here. So I'm creating a file. So here we have the connect.php file. Open with any of your browser and paste it. And here I'm going to add the local host and the username. I think it is PHP my admin, and I think password should be like root. Okay, so it will check the connection part, right? So let's go and with the terminal and let's add the PHP name is connect.php, right? Let's see, connected successfully. That means if I add anything else over here like roots, okay, and save this, let's see what happened. Warning. Okay, so my password is wrong and you can see that. And here you can see that PHP access denied for the user PHP at the local host. If now I'm going to add connect.php, you can see that connected successfully. So it's working file in the latest version of PHP, whether to be 7 or 8. So you can use this code and make your code successfully with connecting with the database, right? So any doubt, any issue, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.